Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 2 hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. Her prompts for this week is rich and poor. So I've got these two ladies. I've got the lady with her first stole, and then I've got this girl that looks like she's a peasant girl. So I'm going to use those pictures, and I'm going to make journaling cards from some of the I jelly printed a while back on index cards. So I want to use those, and I'm going to make journaling cards from them. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. I hope you're having a great day. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 2. I'll have both listed in my description box down below. So without further ado, let's get started. here are my finished cards. I've got my rich and my poor, and I like how they turned out. I think they're interesting. I like the jelly print background, and I just went over with Distress Oxide and the Vintage Photo and sprayed it with water to get that oxidation. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I thought it made it look interesting, and it got rid of the stark white, and I've still got some of the color from when I did my jelly printing. And here's this one. I hope you can see it, but I really love how they turned out, and I hope you do as well. Please be sure and check out Amy's channel. She is a very talented lady, and I love her stuff, and she's very kind. And be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge too. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. It means a lot to me, and I appreciate all of you who have subscribed to my channel. So y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.